Hey, Adam here with simple and fast review of the Gracyoga ribbed knit casual t-shirt for men. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get it out of the bag, pretty standard crew neck, is a size large. I am 6'1", 165 pounds, so I'll give you an idea on size when I try it on. Sleeves are pretty standard. Show you the fabric up close. You see the texture, the collar. Everything looks pretty normal. Bottom, simple, standard. Little bit of stretch, not a ton, but nice little soft fabric. Inside is going to be less textured, we'll say, is the best way I can explain it. So there, you can still see the lining. You'll probably feel it a little bit, but it's not as dramatic as you can tell, the texturing on the inside. So we'll go ahead, get it washed up, try it on, and go from there. All right, so really feels nice. Belly button's right here, waist is here. Totally feels great. Plenty stretch, elbow or length towards elbows is good. Overall, it's just a very comfortable shirt. So to me, definitely worth buying. Looks great, you know, in general, but you know, I'd probably wear it with like a pair of jeans or something like that. But very comfortable, casual, dressy. It can go any way you want. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.